You're gonna absolutely love this. So we're gonna see if this is really the best chicken in the Philippines. This looks good, but it's very tasty. This is insanely good and insanely addictive. There's a nice crunch on this. Oh, she wants a bite too. So as you know, I love chicken, and if you've been to the Philippines before, you know Filipinos love chicken as well. There's so many different spots to check out, but someone slid in my DMs recently and they told me I had to give this place a try. Today we're gonna find out if this is the best chicken spot. Y'all keep telling me this is the absolute best chicken spot in all of the Philippines. So that's where we're headed right now, and they have so many different locations all over, but we're headed to the Makati location. So stick with us, and we're gonna rate this place and all of the menu items we tried today. We decided to fast today, so I am starving, and Jonica's starving as well, but it looks like we're pulling up to the place.
Cheese and 24 cheddar po yung mga best sellers namin.
Oh, okay.
Pero po may mga bago po kaming items, sir. Bago po product ni 24 chicken, yung chicken steak po, at saka yung sprinkling Cajun fries po na.
Sige po. So one chicken steak, one sprinkling fry. So this is how much the total came out to be. Not bad. All right, so we're waiting in line. We just put our order in. I am excited. Are you ready to eat?
Yep.
We're both ready to eat. We're starving. Lots of people love this place. So as you can see, there's a lot of Grab riders right here. Just goes to show you that they get a lot of Grabs, lots of deliveries. All right, so we're waiting for our food. We put it in our order. My girlfriend actually ran into a coworker of hers. So
this is my previous coworker. We used to work together. Our office is actually 10 minutes walk, no? From here. And he's also ordering from 24 Chicken. What's your favorite here?
My favorite would be Yangnyeom times 2. It's very spicy, but it's still a blast to eat.
Ooh, we should have ordered that. What did you order today?
Right now, I ordered Jack Daniels.
I think that's their best seller.
yeah.
Their best seller is usually Jack Daniels and Yangnyeom.
Why do you like 24 Chicken?
Of course, what they advertise, boneless chicken and their flavors that are amazing.
You often come here?
Actually, yeah, I had 24 Chicken the other night as well.
We're not gonna disclose where he lives, but he's like 5 minutes away from 24 Chicken.
So pretty much he's here every single day. He's keeping them in business. So why should foreigners try 24 Chicken?
I'm not sure if they have kinds of chicken in their countries, but I'm sure unique flavors that they have, they won't find them anywhere else, such as the sweet corn sprinkle. It's kind of a specialty in the Philippines, kind of a sweet but also salty kind of flavor.
We didn't order that, but I'm gonna get back in line and order that just because Sean mentioned it. It sounds like a really bizarre thing. We don't have these type of flavors in the States, so you know, I'm curious. This piqued my interest. All right, now we're going on an adventure. Right. So we're gonna see if this is really the best chicken in the Philippines. And I think it might be. Like, they made it super fast, staff was friendly, chicken is hot and fresh. Like, I'm carrying this right here. My hands and fingers are burning. I know this chicken is gonna slap. We could not wait till we got home. We're gonna make a quick pit stop. This chicken smells so good, I can smell it through the bag. So we're gonna pull up here, do a little bit of a taste test. We're gonna rate everything 1 through 10. Let's open this up.
Unboxing.
For all the ASMR people out there.
And then, what's this one?
I'm not even sure.
Chicken steak. That's the chicken steak.
Okay, this is the chicken steak.
Ta-da! Oh, it's hot.
Oh, wow. This smells heavenly. Look at this chicken. This looks good. This is the Jack Daniels flavor. This is the snow cheese flavor. I'm really excited about this snow cheese flavor. I've never had anything like this. I don't even know what that's gonna taste like. In America, we don't have these types of flavors, so I'm curious to see what this tastes like. Look at how big this chicken is. My God, this is huge. This is so good. Give it this nice sweet glaze. Very insane flavor. I mean, look at this chicken. I'm gonna go for another bite. This chicken is juicy, it's moist, fresh, hot. I'm gonna rate this Jack Daniel's flavor 8 out of 10. I've never had anything like this in the US. This chicken is insanely good. All right, now we're gonna try this other flavor, snow cheese. It passes the sniff test. Look at this chicken, man. Let's go in for a bite.
That's a big bite.
Whoa! This is super delicious. Even the dog wants a piece. The dog said I want chimkon. This is like super umami, salty, cheesy. I didn't know what to expect with a flavor of snow cheese, but this is insanely good and insanely addictive. All right, so these are the sprinkling fries. We got some grease at the bottom of the bag, so you know these are gonna be fire. Ooh, passes the smell test. Look at these. Looks like there's some special coating on here, like a special seasoning. Oh, these are good. These are gas. Look at this. The seasoning is very like subtle, but it's very tasty, flavorful. It has like a subtle umami-ness to it. I gotta give these like a solid 7 out of 10. They're really tasty. The flavor is subtle, but there's a nice crisp and crunch on the fries. All right, so for the snow cheese, I'll be honest with you, wild, bold flavor. I'm giving it a 6 out of 10. It's gonna surprise you. It was really good, but the Jack Daniel's flavor really won me over. Jack Daniel's flavor, I would get that time and time again. The snow cheese I would also get because it's gonna be something different, something unique. And if you're a big cheddar fan, you're gonna absolutely love this flavor right here. All right, so this is another item that you must try. It is their chicken steak. This is really great if you're on the go, and this looks like a nice quality piece of chicken. Let's go in for a bite. There's a nice crunch on this. Oh, she wants a bite too.
I actually like that.
This is juicy, tasty, really great snack if you're on the go. Man, really flavorful too. Last but not least, I gotta try the sweet corn flavor, sprinkling fries. So these look similar to the other one. All right, let's go for this. That's different. This is like a dessert fry. Like they weren't lying when they said sweet corn. This flavor, I don't even know what to think about this. This is so different than anything I've had. It's really, really sweet, obviously. All right, let me go in for a second bite. These are very interesting, unique flavor. Honestly, because it's something I've never had in my life, totally different flavor, I gotta give these 8 out of 10. Sweet corn is not a common flavor in the United States, so this is completely bizarre to me. But it works, it makes sense. I would definitely order these again. By the way, this is their new menu item, so I'm not sure how long they're gonna have this menu item, but you have to run to 24 Chicken and give this a try. All right, so we finally made it back to the crib. I had to smash that chicken. Okay, so my real honest opinion, if you're gonna go to 24 Chicken, you have to try the Jack Daniel's flavor, unbelievable. And you have to get those sweet corn fries. It's a very interesting, unique flavor. Definitely something different if you're a foreigner or if you're just used to, you know, regular cheddar fries or regular seasoned fries. Those are my top 2 favorite items. But everything was delicious. Everything was tasty. I'm definitely adding this place to one of my go-to spots. And since there's a place in Makati that's relatively close by, I know they're gonna be seeing me almost every day. If you've had 24 Chicken, let me know your favorite flavors in the comment section below. But anyways, I want to finish up this chicken. Y'all stay safe. Y'all stay blessed. Love you. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace. This is so good.